Hey everyone, welcome back to Scrummy. I'm Katrina and today I'm going to be making a really nice recipe for you. I'm making Dauphinoise potatoes, or what I like to call them, plain and simple, garlic potatoes. This is a great recipe. You can make them, cook them and pop them in the freezer for when you need them. So they're a perfect recipe for Christmas Day. Alright everyone, let's get started. Into a large saucepan pour in milk and double cream. For this recipe it's important to use double cream, not single cream. Add in some ground nutmeg if you have it. If you don't have it, don't worry, you can leave it out. Salt, black pepper and garlic. I like to crush the garlic cloves down with the side of a knife and add them whole, and I'll remove them later. Give everything a good mix, and now we need to get this onto some heat. Bring the mixture to the boil and simmer for about 10 minutes. Make sure you don't boil it and stir it regularly. After 10 minutes, turn the heat off and we can prepare the potatoes. I'm using Roosters, but you can use King Edwards, Morris Pipers or Yukon Gold. Peel the potatoes and cut any large potatoes in half. We need to slice the potatoes finely, about 3 to 4 millimeters, just like that. Slicing the potatoes is the hardest part of making this dish, but it's definitely worth it. If you have a mandolin slicer like I do, they're fantastic for this job, and you can have the potatoes sliced very quickly. These are ready now, so we can get them into our creamy garlic milk. Pop them all into the milk and give them a good stir so that all the potatoes are covered in the milk. Now we need to cook on simmer for about 30 minutes. After this time, the mixture will be nice and creamy and will have thickened up. I remove the garlic cloves at this stage too. Let's get these into a heat-proof dish. Make sure to grease the dish well before adding the garlic potatoes. The size of the dish you use doesn't really matter. I like to cook them in a high dish so you get a nice thick garlic potato. Level the top of the potatoes before adding grated Gruyere cheese or Cheddar, whichever you have. Sprinkle it all over so it covers the garlic potatoes. These are ready for the oven and we need to bake these for 45 to 50 minutes. Just check before you take them out with a skewer that the potatoes are nice and soft. When ready, allow them to sit for about 10 minutes before serving. When the garlic potatoes have cooled, you can wrap them in cling film and tin foil and pop them in the freezer. Just remove them the night before you need them and heat them till piping hot. Just look at those lovely creamy garlic potatoes. Of course we have to taste them now. They are gorgeous. Just enough garlic in them to get that nice garlicky flavour, not too much. Alright everyone, that's it for my video today, and I really hope you try out my garlic potatoes. They really are delicious. I've got lots more videos on my channel for Christmas and for other occasions. If you want to take a look, there might be something there that you would love to make. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel or follow my page. Thanks so much for watching. Happy baking everyone. Enjoy!